Lane 1, Mount Maunganui College. Lane 2, Tauranga Girls College. Lane 3, Gisborne Girls High School. Lane 4, St Joseph's Māori Girls College. Lane 5, Waka High School. Lane 6, New Plymouth Girls High School. Lane 7, Te Wharikura o Mauao. Lane 8, Auckland Girls Grammar School. Lane 9, Te Wharikura o Kirikiriroa. Lane 10, Lytton High School. Oh, Ritana. Lane 11, Hukerere Girls College. Lane 12, John Paul College. Lane 13, Rotorua Girls High School.
After they come in. Yeah. I'll set yours down here. You go.
Kua tū te aki mā. They're all coming up to the false start line. Coming up together. Tēnei te aki whiro. They're all coming up to the start all together. And there goes a green flag for race number 66, Te Hiu final.
I think that's New Plymouth Girls. I think they've managed to get a jump on the rest of the pack.
Oh, lane 13.
Rotorua Girls High School.
Toi.
I think this is Ritana on our screen. I believe Sister Kiringa Toro is their coach. Ritana Hine Wairere.
Ka pai. Ara tua ono New Plymouth Girls High School. There's a solid lead.
Beauty.
Beautiful.
I think New Plymouth are slowly pulling away from the rest of the pack.
All coming up towards the end of the race, where everyone starts to push. Oh, they've picked up the pace. Getting ready to push. Oh, second place. It looks like it might be a New Plymouth Girls High School. Oh,
I think that might have been Tūranga Wahine. Gisborne Girls, Big Booms. I think they've come in second place.
Ka pai ko tiro mā. Get it.
Ka pai New Plymouth Girls.
Good finish. Oh. Oh, that was New Plymouth and Gisborne.
Aye.
Good starts, kicking out. And there goes New Plymouth.
Alright, they were able to pull away from the pack.
Ka pai.
Oh, lane 5, Waka High School, maybe. And then Tūranga Wahine, eh? But these are our winners.
Winners of 2026 under 19 girls W12. 250 meters to you final. Here are the results. In first place, New Plymouth Girls High School for time of 106.58. Second, Wakatipu Te Katahi. And in third, Gisborne Girls Big Booms with a time of 109.59. Wow, that